trip. We'll take some of our tapes back
from the rental place.
Video rental place, and thought maybe you might like to see how it is that we travel.
We're in Dad's car, the one we showed you before. The tan one. And it's Sunday.
Sunday afternoon, just a little after 5.
Been raining pretty much. Don't hit this lady now.
10 points for a Japanese lady. She's having a little difficulty there.
There's one of those infamous taxi cabs you get run over by.
Oh, let's kind of sneak out here.
This is a street that if you go the opposite direction,
on this street.
If you go the opposite direction on this street, it leads you right into Kadena Air Base.
Don't look through the monitor.
Okay.
Don't look over the top of it.
And
Tommy catches a bus on this street.
Yeah, it's about a 45-minute bus trip in the morning. Although it's not that, it doesn't take that long to get there. That's just because we go, you know, all over the place picking up people.
A baseball field down there.
Yeah,
not too much grass on it, but a lot of mud.
We just passed a Japanese school. I believe it was a girls' school. Isn't that what it is? And this is a church that we've been going to. It's called Koza Baptist Church. I don't know if you can see the sign or not, but that's the one, and it's mostly all American. But we have noticed some natives there that can understand English. So, and it's real close by. And you got your green light. Notice we're on the wrong side of the road. And I'm in the driver's seat. See if I can't get a picture of old Dad here.
The old hot rod, huh?
And look where the steering wheel is. And you got your tape player and pretty much everything. And see, this is where I'm sitting.
See if we can turn down here.
Yeah. We're going down the
look at here first.
Small roads here.
That taxi cab out here. Whoa!
Slow down. This is where we're going to turn down this street. Where that sign is. Boy, it's weird watching it through this monitor. It's like a roller coaster ride. Sorry if it's a little bumpy, but these roads aren't all that too good.
Yeah, this one on up here is not that.
And this is kind of, there's a driving range up here, golf driving range.
And we passed this chicken farm. I'm glad the only thing we have on here is audio and visual.
If it would smell, I think we'd all throw up. Because this place reeks. It's a chicken farm or something. I don't know, but it's smelling. I know.
Up. And if you turn too much to the side, too much up.
There's a driving range down there. That's a Japanese one.
That apartment, can you see that apartment up there on the...
Yeah. See that apartment up here? That's where we were going to live, but they couldn't assure us a place or something. But I think it's better where we are now, because you're right in the middle of town, and it's neater. Ow, my arm's hurting. Whoa.
Okay, now, watch out for the bumps. This is kind of bumpy through here.
This is the bumpy road. Dodging cars.
Kind of bumpy. This is the back way to go to the Owasi Golf Course.
This is a pretty bad road here. And here's a pretty much American style house. I have no idea what it's doing.
You have to stay straight ahead, Tom.
All right. Arm is killing me. Getting ready to do a turn here.
This is where we go to the golf course when we come over to eat dinner or brunch, play.
And they have Mongolian barbecue here also.
So a couple nights a week.
Yeah, it's on Wednesdays and Saturday nights.
You can see it's still a little overcast,
Yeah.
a little dark. Maybe we can make this light here a little light.
Okay.
Maybe that's a first.
Yeah, we hardly ever catch that light. And
We don't know how much tape we have left here.
No.
We're working on
try to squeeze in as much as possible.
squeeze in as much as we can to give you an idea what some of the roads are like over here.
This is that one that we were on that was real bumpy. That was probably maybe the worst. You'll see. Everything else is pretty nice. There's your scooter. I'm gonna get a view out here. There's the valley out there, and there's water way down there. Coming up here on the right is the golf course. And you can see those big cement piling things way off in the distance. Those are ball barriers type things, and that's the parking lot for it. And this is run by Special Services. That's the clubhouse.
We're passing number
That's
one
the
hole
first
on
hole.
the right here, and number
10 on the other.
9, 10.
9's over here. Pretty nice. We're coming up on the main street here in Moroni. Behind one of those mini trucks.
Everything looks nice and green.
Yeah, it has. Got lots of rain here.
Now straight ahead is the entrance to Plaza Housing,
Yep.
which is housing area here. Okay, you can hit pause.
Let's take it off this, right? I hit stop.
Okay, that's all right. So stop.
Yeah, we just took a little break there at the light. Try to save as much tape. That's number 9. Or excuse me, it's 11. And this is the main street here. This is Moroni. Heading towards Camp Phosphorus. And if you would stay on this street going back the other direction, you'd end up at our apartment. Or near it. And it's pretty nice. They're building they're building a super highway or something. They've been working on, I think, 9 years now, isn't it? That's Mr.
Been a while.
Jackson, yeah. Anyway, they should be finished with that while we're over here. And you got Sheraton is back over this way.
Yeah, it looks like a fort up there on the hill.
That's the Okinawa Sheraton.
That's where Judy and I went for our anniversary. Real nice dinner. This is also the way we come to work in the morning.
Yep. And we'll go past my school, show you my school. There's a bus. Gas station.
stores and businesses here. And coming up on the left,
here's my school up here.
White building is Tom's school.
Kubasaki. Get out of the way of that banner here, I'll be able to see it better.
I think from our apartment to the office is only about 3.5, maybe a little over 4 miles. So it's only about 3 miles to Tom's school there. So that's not too far. Of course, he rides the bus.
Getting ready to make another turn here. There's a store over here. On the right, they have BMWs, and they have, every once in a while, they get a new kind of neat car, and I think what they have in now is the Rolls Royce. Yeah, there it is. Right there.
Yeah, not bad, huh?
Nice white Rolls Royce, and they got a Jaguar.
We'll pick one of those up some year.
Boy, you're talking expensive. And then this is some base housing. I think that's enlisted. Pretty much kind of same.
Yeah, we have both. This is mostly all the
and this is
part of Camp Foster.
Yeah, where you see the barbed wire fence, that means
both
it's the
sides
base.
of the road. Housing area and some office space on each side of the road. For a big bump.
Woo! Kind of a dip in the road. And here's Foster main gate. Back here, I'll try to get a shot of it.
Yeah, we're going to go down this hill and
go past his office.
See the office that I work at.
Here's some barracks on the left.
Get out of the way.
And up there is Dad's office. As soon as we get past it, you can see a howitzer in the front. Oh, we're not focused. There it is, right there. Oh well, so much for that.
And if you can recall the view from our apartment balcony, the ocean, that was on one side, that was the Pacific side. And
now this is the East China Sea coming up.
This is the East China Sea side. So we've gone completely across the island in about no more than 4 or 5 miles. And a very, very quick trip.
If you were to go the way that I'm pointing the camera now, well, you would go
down to Naha.
Yeah, you'd end up at Naha down this way. And go down this way. That way you end up at Kadena. And Camp Lester's over there too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pause it for a second. This is a long light.
Okay.
Okay, we're back on the road again. I opened the window because I was getting hot.
This is one of the main drags. This is Highway 58 going north.
Yep.
Naha is turned back. We're heading up towards Camp Lester. It's kind of on our right now. We bring Mandy over here.
That's the hospital.
This is where the hospital.
Some barracks on it. Notice how the trees in the meridian are supported. That's for a hurricane, or typhoon rather. Everything here is kind of, most of the structures are all cement. For structure, there's the hospital back there.
We have the East China Sea over here on our left. They've been doing a lot of construction and dredging to eventually put
those things that look like jacks back there. That's for artificial land, and they dredge. They put those in for foundations. All made up. They're just filling in the water. And then looking at right now, as soon as this taxi goes by, that's where we stayed when we got here. The Hamagawa Lodge.
It's what, $90 a night?
Yeah, $90 a night. Pretty good though.
Overpriced, but for around here it wasn't bad.
No.
Fairly convenient.
And we were on TLA, so it didn't matter.
And there's a little Japanese restaurant up here within walking distance from the Hamagawa Lodge that we enjoyed to go to. We've been there quite a few times since we moved into the apartment, haven't we?
Yep, we've come back to this place many a time. It's coming up here, it's this little orange building. Right here.
Yeah, they painted it all up, haven't they?
That's it, that's the place.
They've changed it all around. It used to have a wooden front to it.
Right. And we're coming up on the video club. And then this over here is part of, I would imagine that's Kadena, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, that's part of Kadena.
That's part of Kadena over here where this barbed wire is. I don't know, just some shrubs or something, but that's Kadena.
Second light up here.
And then there's the old McDonald's sign. Put up by the palm tree there.
3K.
And we're turning here to the video club.
Alright, turning here to Rick's. Hope they're still open.
Oh, me too.
Otherwise we have some overdue tapes. We have a pretty big pachinko slot machine place here.
I can't read it, can you?
No.
Oh, just our spot.
We got one up there as soon as this guy fiddles around here. He's going to pull right up there. 200 yen to the dollar, huh?
200 yen.
200 yen.
Oh, that's great. Pizza in. Okay, we're here. Bye-bye. And we're running out of tape, so we're going to go. Want to say something?
Okay, well, we're just about dark right now, and we're heading into Kadena, and tape's just about out. We just want to say we hope you enjoy
the fact that the Coke machine that's in front is named Dido. So, the name of the store. Right across here, you can see a mall, the BC Street Mall. This used to be one of the infamous... Well, I guess we probably need to get the, I think we need to get the umbrella.
Yeah. So, let's just run up there and get the umbrella. This is our parking lot.
Mandy, what are you doing?
He said I have to go to the bathroom. If I wish I'll hurry up.
There's. That's on.
What you looking at, huh?
Here comes the Little Morton Salt Boy. Okay, you guys ready to go?
Maybe once you extend the handle.
I think I can.
You have to pull it real hard.
Okay.
That?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Now, so David, you need to come back here and talk with me. Tom, are you gonna be dry?
Yeah. I'll be okay.
As usual, for the past couple of days, it's been raining off and on. which is not uncommon for this time of the year. What stars? And here we go down the street. This could be quite a trip. It's about 9 o'clock this morning. About 9 o'clock this morning, and a little bit more traffic than usual, but in this area it's quite congested anyway. And of course you can see the spacious boulevards that we're walking down. And where are the boys? There they are. There the boys, where are they? There they are. Walking down the street there. Let's see if we can cross over this side of the street now.
Dido shop.
Now we're passing one of the favorite haunts of the boys, the Dido store. We don't know anything about the name other than the fact that the Coke machine that's in front is named Dido. So, the name of the store. Makes it easy to recognize. Also walking past some type of a hospital, and while Mandy is searching feverishly for her favorite spot. Hopefully it'll be outside rather than inside. And I just about got run over there by a Alto Juna. How about that? Oops, another detour. Passing others, we were out for a little walk this morning. There's Alice. Maybe it's not so old, it's just kind of run down, but we're right in the center of the city. There's no telling what we're going to find on some of these roads. Kind of coming down to the main street now, and where we see most of the bars and a lot more of the stores, different types of stores. This is probably where Mandy will find her favorite spot right in front of everybody. And no telling what else we're going to see here this morning. If it stopped raining for a while, we could get rid of this umbrella. Go ahead, Dave.
What, Dad?
Surfing his way downtown.
Watch this here, right there.
Tommy going across the street there.
Show them there's Dunkin' Donuts, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
And Dairy Queen. Show them Dairy Queen, Dad. Here. Hey, come here. Here. Sit. Sit.
There's Tommy across the street. Tommy is searching for his favorite store, which is, there it is, the Dunkin' Donuts place. Even in Japan, we have all the recipes.
Waiting for Tom.
Huh?
Waiting for Tom.
Are you? What are you waiting for?
Donuts.
What are you waiting for?
Donuts. Hey.
Still not too many people out. This is the main street called the Roman Street. If you kept going right straight down this street, about maybe 2 or 3 miles, you get to Camp Foster, where all the exchange facilities are and the law offices. And we're standing right next to Dairy Queen store. I guess you can see some of the little items in there that you might recognize.
Hey, come over here and show me.
Now let's see, where is Tommy gone to? Where is Tommy? I guess Tommy is still in the Dunkin' Donuts store, huh? Well, we've got a lot of people moving around the area here this morning. There's somebody opening up their shop over there this morning, our favorite bookstore. We haven't found a book in there we could read yet, but there's a lot of different things that we can look at.
Dad, show them the comic book vendor.
We have some type of here. Somehow I managed to push the fader button and it didn't respond like I wanted to, so I'm going to have to try the instructions again. So where has that Tommy Ryan gone? I don't know where he is. I think he must be in there donut. you a good girl?
No.
Not yet?
No.
Okay.
She's down here.
Yeah. She did the other time out here on the sidewalk, though. Well, here comes some type of emergency vehicle or somewhere. But, I don't know, maybe there's a big crowd in there this morning.
Probably eating her.
He'll come out with breakfast.
I saw him in there.
Did you see him in there?
Yeah, he was waiting. There wasn't a line.
Was he eating?
No, I hope not. There wasn't a line though.
I don't believe it. So here he comes. After his nice visit into the Dunkin' Donuts.
No jaywalking.
Well, what took you?
I had another lady in front of me.
What, is she buying for a Boy Scout troop?
Yeah.
Again. Okay, let's see if we can make a pass with one of them. Oh, it's back to raining a little harder now.
Yeah, that's a good picture of this small van.
There goes a little van, a minivan.
We got hit again by a car.
Take a left.
Why do you want to go this way?
Different way. You can give her a little more leash. Then she won't break your wrist. Go on up there a little bit, David. I'm going to trail behind you guys so I can see what happens here, huh? Got a few little restaurants down this street. This is quite a treat walking in the rain every day. I don't know.
What's that, high?
This is one of... Take her up there in that grass, huh?
Okay.
There we can see some construction workers doing something over there. They're all busy, and we have a successful report from Tommy on Mandy, so we're going to continue to move out here on up the street. Oh, that was... Hey, Tom.
Yeah.
What's happening?
That's much.
You getting wet?
Yeah, not too warm. So Grandma, my shirt that she sent me.
Okay.
Fits.
Go ahead, make her perform.
Alright.
Recognize this shirt? It's surfed up. That's raining pretty hard again. Whoops. We'll let Mandy have a little privacy here while she bombs away. If she doesn't get run over in the process. And then walking back up a different street, back up, you can see, I think it's blown away here. Really gusty this morning. We can see our apartment from here, and I almost got run over by a bicycle. Can you believe that? No slack at all out here. And we're walking back up to the apartment. So one more street. You can tell how hungry everyone is because the pace quickens as we get closer. And there we have, we're up on the 4th floor, right up there in the corner. Apartment with a view. View of the parking lot, that is, from one side, and view of the ocean from the other side. Not too bad. And we're coming on back up to the elevator. Hi, Alice. Come back up the elevator. Pants is panting. How you doing, little girl? You have a good outing? And there's the elevator.
Probably one more trip
And let's see what we got here as we're going up the elevator to the, which floor?
4th.
4th floor.
Yeah, 4th floor.
Okay. And out we go. David's pace is definitely quickening now.
It's my turn to get in.
Get me a towel. Give me that towel, Dave, before you start to eat. Dave.
David?